Editing is where the magic happens to videos. But if your workspace isn't set up for success, then it can be a tiresome process. If you wish you could shave hours of time off your editing process, then you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Charles. I run creative agency WCM, and I've been editing and working in Premiere Pro and the Adobe Creative Suite for almost 9 years now. I've worked in studios in London, Auckland, Toronto, and Australia during my career and picked up how some of the best manage and streamline their workflows and editing process. Now I want to take the techniques that have helped me to edit and produce hundreds of videos in an efficient and stress-reducing manner for clients like Chanel, Adobe, and San Miguel, just to name a few, and share them with you over the duration of this class. Let's take your editing from time-consuming and costly to Fast and Furious 9. In the world of freelancing and production, time is money. And if you're spending more time than you should be editing a project for a client, it means you have less time to take on other projects, and that's costing you money. So let's fix that. This class is useful for people who are fairly new to Adobe Premiere Pro, or even those who may have been using it for a while but looking to up their game and push their knowledge. We're going to cover some of the basics like setting up your workspace and getting your keyboard shortcuts in order. And then we're going to move on to some more advanced techniques like color grading, reading your graphs, where to store caches, and how to use proxies. I love to help people make their lives easier and streamline the work that they do day in, day out. Now let's get into Premiere Pro and make it our new best friend.